what is the best way to attract potential clients in need of long-term care? Our target is the spouse or children of an elderly person who is in or about to go into a nursing home. They're seeking to protect assets and apply for nursing home Medicaid. Okay, so I've actually worked on campaigns. I've worked directly on campaigns like this many times. And we're actually running one right now. So what we typically do is, and I feel like a broken record because this is my answer for everything. What we do is we think about, okay, so like you said, your target is the spouse or children of an elderly person who's about to go into a nursing home. So what we start thinking about is, what is it that that person, the spouse or the child, what is it that they want? And what is it that they want to avoid? Right? So like one of the things you said they're seeking to protect assets and apply for nursing home Medicaid. Now, I don't know if this is how it works nationwide, but I've talked to a bunch of different lawyers about this, and what they've told me is that a lot of times it's kind of a situation where the nursing home, I could be getting this wrong, but the nursing home is basically telling you kind of, once your assets are gone, then Medicaid can kick in, and that's where the lawyers can help you. Is they can help make it so that you can get on Medicaid without having to sell your house and without having to drain all of your bank accounts and all of your assets and all that type of stuff. So, what you do is you have to think about what is it that they actually want. First of all, they want to make sure that their loved one is safe and healthy and gets the care that they need. But then they also want to make sure that they're not draining their assets and their bank accounts. So what I typically will do is I'll start creating content that talks about how to, get your parents the care they need without draining your bank account, or how to, and you can even do stuff like talking about how to ensure that your parents get the actual care that they need. And then inside of that, you talk about, well, okay, so good care is going to cost money. How do you pay for it? Well, here's 3 ways you can pay for it. So we're doing a few cheat sheets right now for some elder care attorneys, and we're getting a lot of opt-ins. We're getting a lot of click-throughs, all that type of stuff. And basically, it's just doing that. It's just creating content that's teaching different ways you can pay for it without, I think one of the cheat sheets is called like how to pay for your parents' in-home care, or wait, no, it was how to pay for your parents, your aging parents' health care without mortgaging your house or without losing your house or something like that. We did another one that we actually gave out a free power of attorney. So it was basically like how to legally make financial decisions for parents with medical issues or something like that. So it's kind of like, think about all the different problems they have, think about all the different things that they want, and then you create those types of content. So you create that type of content. And then, what I would do is I'd run Facebook ads to it. I would just create an ad that's targeting, people that are in the ages where they're going to have parents that are starting to get older. So probably people that are in their 40s to 60s, maybe. I can't remember what we're targeting, but that's the way that I would start it. And yeah, if you figure out what they want and you create content that provides what they want, then it's really easy.